Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our design pattern series here at Code to Commerce. I am Mayank Pratap Singh and today we will be delving into the Singleton design pattern. So what exactly is the Singleton design pattern? Well, imagine you have a class that you only want to have one instance of throughout your entire application. That's what the Singleton pattern is all about, ensuring that there is only one instance of a class. But why do we need this pattern? Think about resources like a database connection or a configuration manager. You want these resources to be shared and consistent across your application. That's where the Singleton pattern comes in handy. It helps manage these shared resources efficiently. So how do we use the Singleton pattern in daily applications? Let's say you are building a web application and you need to manage user sessions. You can use a Singleton to ensure that there is only one instance of the session manager throughout the application, ensuring consistency and preventing any further conflicts. Now, let's take a look at some code to understand how Singleton works in practice. In this code, the class Singleton has a private constructor to prevent instantiation from outside the class. It has a static method getInstance which returns the Singleton instance. If the instance doesn't exist, it creates one. Otherwise, it returns the existing instance. As simple as that. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Singleton pattern. Global access. Singleton provides a global point of access to the instance, making it easy to access it from anywhere in the application. Thread safety. Singleton can be implemented to be thread safe, ensuring that there is only one instance which gets created even in a multi-threaded environment. However, like any other design pattern, Singleton also comes with its drawbacks. Let's discuss them. Global state. Since the Singleton instance is globally accessible, it can introduce global state into the application, making it harder to test and maintain. Hard to extend. Singleton can be hard to extend or modify since it restricts the instantiation of the class to a single instance. And there you have it. The Singleton design pattern ensures that there is only one instance of a class throughout the application, making it useful for managing shared resources efficiently. Please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. See you in the next episode.